really sorry.
Let's take a selfie. Ready?
Smile.
Blue faces.
Well, it's time to test our knowledge.
Wow, awesome collection.
Excellent target. Makeup. This will definitely work. Ah, nice.
That's not fair. Right.
Da.
Hey.
Yeah, beautiful, Dolly.
What?
Up,
And the prize?
cool.
Great.
Who is here? Oh,
Hi, cutie.
here. Up, nope. Up.
What a fail.
I'm cool.
Cute! He's so cute! Huh?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Up. Yeah. Oh, my basket.
Hey!
Huh? Great. Hold it.
What?
Yeah.
Ouch! Take this!
Oh. Why?
Check.
Come here. Woo! Catch. Ah.
Ouch!
Oh.
Need help? Oh, thanks. Yeah, thanks. Oh. Give me 5.
Well, Hey!
Hi, girls. That's for you.
Wow!
Please.
Huh? Oops! Where is he? God, he stole my wallet!
Mine too.
That was easy peasy. Oh,
Freeze!
no way, huh?
Catch him.
Adios, losers.
Stop! Huh?
Oh, my sweetheart.
Oh, exactly. Can I borrow this?
Huh?
I really need it, please.
Fine, you can take it.
Hi!
Hey, what?
Stop! Dad!
Our wallet!
Hi, ladies. Here you are.
Thanks!
You're amazing.
Eat.
Sure, darling. Get your stinky feet away from me.
Enjoy.
Huh?
I can't see anything.
Oh,
Oh, my neighbor.
Let's check. She's amazing.
huh? What's that?
Uh-oh. Ouch. Oh, is she still there? Looks like there are 2 of them.
I have an idea. Up.
Huh? Do, 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 do. Oh, yeah. It's time for the experiment of the century. Hey, hey, it worked! Oh, I need to rest. Oh, I'm a genius.
Huh? How interesting. Oh! Oh, hey! Hi! This is our creator? Oh, yeah.
What's happening?
Hello? Hey. Wow, he's cute and smart. Mwah.
Huh? Aw. Huh? Huh? Are you following me? Up. Okay.
We have a surprise for you. Eat. Relax. Huh? Let me help you.
Whoa. Huh?
Take this.
Thanks. What a wonderful life.
Oh, he's about to wake up.
Ew, what a stink.
Oh, don't sweat it. Huh?
Huh?
Oh. Huh?
No! Oops! Oh no! Now turn around!
Okay. Here, take this. Here you are.
Enough!
Up. Oh, this needs to be washed. Yeah.
Huh?
Take this off. Pop. Done. Oh, look, pimples! Oh, so cool! Wow! Yeah. Get him!
Oh gosh.
Wait! Stop!
Get lost!
Come back here!
Oh no! Please, leave me alone.
What? Huh? Get out!
Huh?
Hey,
Liza?
let me help you, neighbor.
Thanks.
We need to clean up this mess.
Oh.
Take this.
Sure.
Huh? I have no idea. Huh?
Hey, you! Take your hands off my daughter now!
Dad!
My gosh. Bye, Liza.
Daddy!
You're
No,
grounded,
Daddy,
Liza.
please.
You'll stay in your room. This will be a good lesson for you, my dear daughter. Done.
No one? But why isn't she leaving the house? There is something wrong here. Huh? Oh, Liza, my love. I know what to do. Ding dong. Hello, I'm the window cleaner.
Okay, coming in.
Hey, I'll start with that window first. I can clean it properly.
Go ahead.
What the? Oh, you here?
Uh-oh.
Don't let this guy enter my house.
No, please! Ouch! Well. Oh, good morning. I really need this job, please.
Fine, come in.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Doesn't look that bad. Oh, sir, it's ready.
Thanks.
Oh, Hero, you don't know how much I miss you. Huh? Yeah!
Whoa!
Oh, no. Ouch. Aha.
Do.
Come here. Hello, I need to check a Madam Smith.
Sure. Follow me.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Doctor, I really need your help.
Actually, I forgot some important medicine.
Nuh-uh.
Okay.
What's wrong, Doctor?
We need to press this button. This one? Maybe. Definitely this one. Hey. Oops. Oh gosh. Just a minute. Where is it?
Oh, wow! That's a miracle!
I can't believe it worked. This is the next one. Easy peasy, by golly. Take this, madam.
No! Nope, I don't like it.
Fine. Wanna go?
Wow, you bet! Oh, nope. That's fantastic! Oh, could you pass me that stick?
Huh? Uh-huh.
Oh yeah! Huh? Let's have fun!
I'm ready. Come on. Let's try again.
Get it! Attaboy!
Oh, my love.
Huh? Let me see.
Please, madam, help us.
Oh, Liza. Okay. Voila!
Hero, is that really you?
Yes, honey.
Bravo! Huh? Take that!
Congratulations!